Hello, friends. Hello, my respected sir. It's very warm and happy good afternoon to you all. I'm so glad that I get this opportunity to share my views on the topic. The topic is, if you want to be a effective communicator, you need to do hard work. Yes, hard work. According to my perception, hard work it's a bridge that help you to reach to your goal. Yes. So friends, what is a communication? Communication is not that how you speak and how much you know about the English. English is just a language. It's a subject but not in a speaking. It's just a language. Communication is not that how you speak, how your English is fluent. It's not a communication. Communication is a skill, right? Before 1 month I was like the same thinking that communication means only the English fluency. But now at this point I get to know from my mentors, from my strongest mentor, from IDQ Value Added Academy. Yes. From their help, now I get to know that communication it's a skill that you have, that we have to develop inside you, inside us. We have to develop in our life if we want to enhance our personality. So how we do that? Okay, so let's discuss on that. So like my mentor said me, communication it start if you for that you want to evaluate a soften proficiency. What is that? Yes, a good question, because that time I was on the same note that what is soften proficiency. So friends, I'm so happy that share with you about the soften proficiency. So soften means SOFTEN. S is stand for smile. Yes. Whenever you speak with anyone, keep a beautiful smile on your face constantly, so you can attract the other person while you're speaking and they connected with you by their heart. Yes. The second one is O. O is stand for open gesture. Like open gesture, I'm using my hand while I'm speaking, right? See friends, now I'm speaking like this. Hello friends, my name is Geeta, I live in Mumbai. So how it looks weird. Yes, but now I'm speaking like, hello friends, my name is Geeta Lunia, I live in Mumbai. So communication is not that what you speak. Communication is that how you speak, like what you feel, that automatically comes from your mouth and your gesture will doing like that. Yes. So your full body have to speak that what you feel and what you want to convey to others. That is also a part of communication. So F is stand for what? Please, anyone is there? Okay, fine. So I will tell you. So F is stand for forward leaning. Means whenever you communicate with anyone, you should forward towards the person. like bend yourself. That show that how you interested in that topic, and how much you interested in that topic, and how much you kind. Yeah, the forward leaning is always show your kindness, your humbleness, and how much you interested in that topic, to listening and to speaking, right? Yes. And the T is stand for touch confidently. Means whenever you speak with someone, like that time you just shake hand like this. That how you shake hand with that person. Means like you shake hand like this. Just take my hand and shake hand and give it to me. No. You have to confident. Like, hello, my name is Geeta Lunia. I live in Mumbai. Like this. So that touch shows your confidence, that how you confident. Yes, and it's more important. Yes. And the E stand for eyes contact. Yes, whenever you speak with someone, that time you have to see, you have to communicate to eyes. Yes, you have to see the eye on the other person, like I'm speaking with you all, right? So if I speak like, yes, hello, so I am making the video, and yes, I'm talking with you, how it looks? It looks bad? Yes. So whenever you speak, you have to see the eyes on other person. It seems that you are confident. Yes, you are confident, and you are not hesitate about anything, right? And last but not the least, the N stand for nodding. Whenever you speak with someone, whenever you communicate with someone, that time you have to do nodding. Nodding means like yes, no, you have to do. It shows that we are interested with the topic, we are interested to speak and to listen about the topic. Yes. So friends, this is a softened proficiency, and I'm so glad that I expressed myself with the help of my mentors, what they taught me from IDQ value added. Yes. And yes, finally, there is one thing also that I want to share. Like, if you want to be an effective communicator, you have to be a good listener also. Until or unless you did not listen to other person carefully, you can't talk, you can't connect with that person. Yes, you have to connect with the person, that what he want to say, and according to that you have to express your view. That is a best communication. Yes, friends, it's a skill, and we have to evaluate this skill. Yes, and I'm so sure that you all will implement this softened proficiency like me in your life, in your communication. Yes, so it will help us to grow our career and grow our communication. Yes. So yes, I would like to show my gratitude towards my mentors like KK sir, SK sir, and Neha ma'am and Bhavna ma'am. Because of them, I think now I can speak like this, and I can express my communication. Yes. So thank you all, and yes friends, stay safe, stay motivated, and always respect yourself so other will respect you, and keep respect in your communication also. Yes, because if you listen respectfully, then you can speak respectfully also. Yes, so maintain respect in your communication also. So as of now, thank you friends for listening me and giving me your precious time to me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.